A guilty plea for deadly conduct seems straightforward until Judge Stephanie Boyd uncovers where the defendant hid her weapon. The revelation leaves the courtroom in stunned silence.
Hi. So where are we?
Trying to find me a home.
I know, and how are we with
We're-
that?
So, we talked with ACOG and we're waiting for a determination, intellectual disability assessment.
Mhm.
They were saying it could take 1 to 2 months. However, I'm asking if they can expedite it. So I'm just waiting on that response. Also too, we were trying to get a hold of, Ms. Silva's mother. We're unable to do that right now, so we're trying to see if we can find the contact information for the previous boarding home and see if she can return there.
Okay.
And if not, then she's provided me with some other boarding homes. I just need to figure out the contact information. But yeah, that's where we're at right now.
All right, how long do you think this will take?
I wish I could say,
All right, is there any way I can help? Is there somebody I can call?
you can try to find my,
Oh, well, I can't do that much of an investigation work.
Well, I'm just tired of being stuck in jail, I'm tired of it.
Well, and let me just tell you, the reason why is because you can be released, right?
Mhm.
And you get released, and then you know what's going to end up happening? We're going to be right back here.
Why hope to not ever get in trouble again? I learned my lesson. I just want to get time served for all this time going back and forth.
All right, you'll need to speak to your attorney about that, okay?
Is it an option maybe just to Friday? We think maybe by Friday we can get a more concrete understanding of this situation regarding.
I can have her back on Thursday.
Okay.
I'm gonna request the same thing for Mr. Payne, actually.
He had mentioned that I had to get another test done. Yes. Is that today? He
Thursday would be fine, Judge.
But I'm gonna try to see.
All right, Norma, if you recall this for Thursday, please.
I'm gonna see if I can get it. Thursday?
Right, yes.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Mr. Payne could be called. She's familiar with Mr. Payne.
All right, we will bring Mr. Payne up.
Mr. Payne? Payne? Here.
Hello, Mr. Payne.
Yeah,
How are you doing?
all right.
All right. So with Mr. Payne.
So he has a screening today with ACOG and this afternoon.
Okay,
And then they're gonna also, I'm sorry, it's tomorrow morning. They're gonna meet with his brother this afternoon.
okay,
So that way we can get him enrolled in those services. His
Okay.
brother is wanting to have him return home. We also connected him with True Mental Health. So once he's released, then he can establish his Medicaid and benefits again, so that way he can get enrolled in services with them. Corazon is also involved with him as well. So as we were considering as a backup for Town Twin Village, but it may take some time. So if things don't work out with his brother when he's with his brother at the
Mhm.
beginning, then that will be another.
I love Town Twin Village. I had a chance to do a walkthrough. It's a beautiful place.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
But we're hoping that everything will be okay when he stays with his brother and he'll follow up with his medication and get back with case management.
All right, Mr. Payne, we're gonna bring you back on Thursday since you have an interview tomorrow. So we'll bring you back on Thursday, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And here's the thing. When you're released,
Yes, ma'am.
you need to make sure that you contact people. You just can't disappear, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. You're looking good, though.
Thank you.
Who's here on Ashley Peel?
Even if I have to. We just, I don't know how to. Let's do it. We rush it.
All right, so where are we on this case as far as discovery?
I think we're fine on discovery. Today was plea deadline. We have a plea offer. We are not closing.
All right, how long do y'all expect this trial to last?
It is.
All right, Miss Ferguson, I need a 2-day jury trial date. It's Ashley Peel. You can do a jury trial or a bench trial. What I can tell you with a bench trial, that means it comes to me. If the state proves their case beyond a reasonable doubt, I'm going to find you guilty. If they don't, I'm going to find you not guilty. Jury trial or bench trial.
We may very well consider a bench trial, Judge.
All right, so
You agree with that, Ashley?
do you want a bench trial or jury trial?
Bench trial, if that expedites matters, yes.
All right, Miss Ferguson, a bench trial.
I think July 7th, Judge.
July 7th?
Sure.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you excuse and make sure you've done an acknowledgement of discovery.
I will.
All right, thank you.
Ms. Peel, have a seat. I'll take a look at it. Michael De Leon. Mr. De Leon. Here. Oh, there he is, in the back.
Thank you.
And Norma, what page is she on?
She's on page 6, Judge.
All right, thank you. Fidencio Gonzalez. Ryan Jordan Westbrook. Can I see those two files, please? Yes, Westbrook and Fidencio Gonzalez.
Here, I think Fidencio Gonzalez already has a warrant on this case.
You mean Fidencio?
Fidencio,
Okay, let me see.
um,
Oh.
Mhm. Yes. Okay.
From Doc.
Is he here?
No.
Okay.
I'm gonna have them on Zoom, Judge. So that you can look at.
Okay,
So 1:30.
yes.
Judge Boyd listens to the defendant blame a bad day, but her focus is on the dangerous and bizarre detail in the police report. Her next question is one you have to hear to believe.
Ryan Jordan Westbrook. All right, for those of you, if your attorney hasn't shown, you can step outside and call them because we're recessing at 12. And if your attorney's not here, you'll need to be back at 1:30. All right, who is here on Aaron Joseph Mendez Trevino? All right, if you'll come forward, please.
Please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, I know you all are set for jury trial, but I know the state just finished with the jury trial.
Yes, ma'am.
If you want a jury trial, I'll give you a jury trial. But if you all want to pass, you're more than welcome to pass.
We worked something out,
Oh, you have?
and it's gonna be pre-trial, and so pre-trial diversion. And I think that, Mr. Osgood would just need a consent to get the application in.
And get the contract signed. We can get that done this week.
See, you know what? Mentally, I was picking up on that, but I said, you know what? Let me not assume anything. All right, Norma, I need a PTD date, please.
28th of the 29th.
28th or 29th? So how's it going today?
Good, man. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing great.
Uh,
PTD is good for you. Take advantage of it, okay? And don't come back to court after this, all right?
That's the goal, Judge. I'm gonna be working with him.
Okay.
The 29th works. That's
All right, how old are you?
18. I just graduated high school.
All right, so what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
So right now, I'm currently looking for my cousin. He's a boss of a company, Science. I don't know if you're familiar with it. It's a fire equipment technology. So it's like he installs fire equipment for like big corporations, like
Okay.
hospitals, prisons, and stuff like that. So
All right,
looking,
so,
I'm looking to get in there, but because I'm dealing with this, it's
all right, so this is what I need you to do. Sometimes when you're waiting for things to happen and you're looking, you look up, your attorney will tell you this, and before you know it, 10 years have passed and you're still where you are. So make sure that you do everything you can to get to where you want to be, all right?
Definitely.
All right, once you sign the reset form, your excuse.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge. Rigby?
And are you Ms. Rigby?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications?
No, Judge.
Ms. Rigby, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yeah, you're right.
No, Judge.
All right, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, I did.
You understand that the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of deadly conduct as a Class A misdemeanor. The range of punishment is up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you are giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do not.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Rigby, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on deadly conduct. Your punishment is to be assessed at 292 days in the Bexar County Jail. There's a $2,000 fine, no applications. This is run concurrent with 2024 CR 008948W and County Court Cause number 692199 and the state is taking into consideration 2025 CR 007402. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes.
State? Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motion?
No, yeah.
Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
Your Honor, states
No.
All right, state you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate
Yes, ma'am.
places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, that you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent.
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there would be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Is there anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
The judge respectfully requests the court follow the agreement.
All right. Having a bad day?
No, I'm sorry. Yes. Nervous.
No, I mean about this
Oh, but
incident.
I said, yeah, I was having a bad day.
All right, how do you?
Like, I was like somebody was saying that when he was talking to me, like something told me to get up and do it, but I did.
Well, here's the thing. People always tell me in the United States, people are very loud on their phones. Not everyone wants to hear your conversation.
Yes, I
Not
know.
everyone wants to hear the same music that you hear.
Yes, that's
But
true.
most importantly, I have a question. And this is just, I want to know the answer to it. How do you keep a knife in your bra without getting cut?
Oh, because it's a thing where you press it. It's
Oh, and it
press
switches
and-
open.
it
Okay.
switches open.
Well, you better hope it never opens.
Yeah, I know, but I'm not gonna carry nothing no more, man.
Okay.
I promise, I'm not.
All righty.
I'm gonna start my business.
Okay. The court is going to sentence you to 292 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine, time and money to run concurrent. And this will run concurrent with 2024 CR 008948W and County Court Cause number 692199. Taking consideration 2025 CR 007402. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. Make better choices.
Sure.
Thank you.
The proceeding for Ms. Rigby follows the standard rhythm of a plea hearing, with Judge Stephanie Boyd carefully ensuring the defendant understands she is waiving her right to a trial for the misdemeanor charge of deadly conduct. The agreed sentence is 292 days in jail. However, just before imposing the sentence, Judge Boyd does something extraordinary. She moves beyond the paperwork and engages directly with the absurd reality of the crime. After the defendant offers a vague explanation about having a bad day, Judge Boyd zeroes in on the singular, shocking fact that sets this case apart. With a tone of pure incredulity laced with authoritative concern, she asks the question that instantly destroys any trivialization of the offense. How do you keep a knife in your bra without getting cut? The defendant's nonchalant reply that it was a switchblade only amplifies the recklessness of her actions. Judge Boyd masterfully uses this exchange to underscore the grave reality of the situation. Her warning, "Well, you better hope it never opens," is not just a comment on the mechanism of the knife. It's a metaphor for the volatile and dangerous path the defendant is on. This moment transforms the sentencing from a mere administrative act into a powerful, memorable intervention. Judge Boyd then delivers the consequences, the full 292-day jail term and a $2,000 fine. Her final admonishment, "Make better choices," resonates as a direct result of the bizarre risk she just exposed. This hearing exemplifies Judge Boyd's unique style, combining sharp judicial duty with a human instinct to confront the illogical choices that lead people into her courtroom. It's a stark reminder that justice isn't just about the charge, but about addressing the startling behavior behind it.